sweetheart, and this is us again, my secret Coeur. And what is this? Huh? Oh yes, it's a pump. Aliyah, here. What are you doing?
Let's just play my car.
Oh, what inside your car? Wala.
Inside my car.
What do you have inside your car? Huh?
Doing.
The jewel. What else?
Play with me.
You want to play with me? Let's go play with Aliyah. Way.
My hat.
Your hat. Oh yeah. Oh.
Let's go.
Sweetheart, and this is me again, my secret Coeur. Welcome back to my channel, and for today is just a random video showing what inside my car. Yes, pump for you. What color is your pump? And green and rouge. Ah, you're going to do okay, very good. Okay, what else you have inside your car? So hello sweetheart. So for today it's just a random videos because we are actually going to out a velo. So excuse me for a messy car because I actually just finished doing maglipat. So I have a very messy car. It's a bowl? Yes. Can you show me what do you have in your bowl? The jouet. Can you show us? Wow, okay, what else do you have? Put here. When you finish, you put here. Huh?
A fish.
A fish. Okay, what else? Okay. What's this? Huh? What's this one?
Yellow and green.
It's not yellow, this one. What color is this?
Oh my.
Okay, what else? Oh, what is this? Parapluie. What is? Huh? What is a parapluie in English?
My bag.
It's your bag? Show to them your bag. Your bag?
Yes.
Okay, what else do you have inside your car? What is this? Yes. What is this?
No.
Sipokaka? Oh, fellow bubbles. Oh, fellow bubbles. No, no. You want now? Or see? Okay, show to them. Way! Alright. The casket. What is this? What is this? It's not for basketball. It's for ping pong. Show to them? Yes, it's yours. It's inside the plastic bag. The ball for food for do this. It's inside the plastic bag. There at the back. You look at the back. You saw it? What's that? What's that? Show to me. Yes, what is this? Show to me. Show to us. It's for swimming in the beach.
I want tilapia.
You want to go to the beach? Huh? What is this?
Madam Mia.
Wait. What do you have? What is this one? The casket.
Cutest Aliyah.
Casket Aliyah. What color is your casket? Pink.
This one, Mama.
Where is Mama? Show to them. They don't see.
Mama.
It's Mama this.
On a Cutest Aliyah qui sont
Where?
c'est maman qui fait un bisou.
Ale, awe. Can you give to me kiss? Can you kiss me? Mwah.
Un bisou.
Oh wait, I want you. It's Aliyah. Okay, kiss. What else do you have? Mwah. Okay. What else do you have at the back? Your bike. Can you show us your bike? Oh, what's this? Là, le vélo. Le vélo là. What's this? For the sun.
For me,
It's not for you. It's for Mama.
aussi c'est pour les bébés.
No, it's not for baby, this one. Where are you? Aliyah, where are you? Oh no! Aliyah is missing! Can you find where is Aliyah? Aliyah! Peekaboo!
Non, c'est ma cabane.
Okay, next. Oh, I see their bike there at the back.
Hello. Hello. Tulungan.
Tapalki. Tapalki.
Gaba. Yeah.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
Bueno.
No, it's trottinette.
Continue.
What color is your trottinette? Whose shoes is this?
Susa mama.
Shoes of Mama?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Puset.
Ah, puset. Okay, get. What is this?
C'est dur.
What is this? Your bike. Show us.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Tuban la glass? No, show us what do you have.
Ako yung nalapya.
You're going the beach. What you will bring with you?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you have? What is this? What is this? Oh, what is this? Ton vélo?
No.
What no? Sa tumbay, velos ah. Oh, what is this? No, it's a sunblock. What's this?
Boom boom.
You want bonbon? What is this? Huh? No, sa puset.
Bye.
So there you have it, at what's inside my car. And again, sorry for the messy car because I just finished doing maglipat. So it's really messy. That's why also that the car, the seat at the back is down para I can put many things inside. So Aliyah, you say bye to them? You say thank you for watching. You say thank you. Awa. You say bye. Bye.
Bye.
After, what you want to say?
Oh, dance with me.
Oh, you want to dance with me?
I want to dance with me.
You want to dance with me?
No, Santa with me.
Ah, you want to sing with me? Do you want to sing with me?
Yes.
Yeah, can you sing watermelon?
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, pina, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad.
Wait! How about dance? Pam param pam pam. Ay, 1, 2, 3, go! Pam param pam pam. Ali,
Please dance with me.
you can sing with me. It's your turn, sweetheart. No. Bye, sweetheart, and thank you once again for watching. I hope to see you all on our next sweet adventure. Bye. Say bye. Bye.
Hi.
Bye, sweetheart.
My sweetheart. Bye.
Uncle.
Bye.
Sweetheart.
Bye. Sweetheart.
My super.
My sweetheart.
Uncle.
My sweetheart. Bisous.